Welcome back. Now we'll explore what tuples are, how they differ from lists, and when to use them in your Python programs. Our goal today is to understand how tuples work and their immutable nature. Tuples are similar to lists in many ways, but they come with a twist. Tuples are immutable, meaning their elements cannot be changed after the tuple is created. When you need a collection that never changes, a tuple is your best friend. Now it's time for a practical, sector-specific example. Let's step into the world of weather forecasting. Imagine you're a meteorologist and you want to store information about the weather forecasting data of New York. Here's how you'll create a tuple for one record. Record =, New York, January 1st, 2021, -5. Each record has a city, date, and the highest temperature in Celsius for that day. A tuple is declared as a set of values of 3 different data types. As you can see, a tuple is formed with these 3 elements. Just like lists, you can access the elements of a tuple using indexing. For example, if you want to know only the date of the record, simply use the index 1. Indexes starts from 0 and subsequently it progresses further. Print, record SOM, would pick the second element and print on screen. We can extract individual elements within the tuple separately and store them in different variables. This is exactly how you do it. City, date, and temperature are extracted from a single variable record, which is of tuple data type. As you see, if we print each of these values separately, it would pick the individual values from tuple and displays them on the screen. New York, date, and temperature are printed separately. But beware, tuples and their immutable nature will not allow you to change temperatures, unlike real weather forecasters. Attempts to do so will only cause Python storm warnings. Voila! Now, you've got individual variables for each element of the tuple, like casting a weather prediction spell. Now, you've become a tuple master. Since you've successfully conquered the temperamental world of tuples, it's time to venture into a new territory of learning: sets. Stay tuned for the next lecture, where we'll expand our knowledge through a new and exciting topic. Keep learning and growing. Like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Let's build a strong Python community together.